Have you been longing to increase your profits from Forex, but missing key signals that always seem to sabotage your results? If so, then I know exactly what you're going through. There's nothing more annoying than losing money, and worse still is the frustration of not knowing why you didn't see a key signal before placing a trade. When faced with another string of losing trades, most people jump online and spend hours hunting around to try and find some bit of software or information that will prevent it from happening again. The big problem with this approach is that because the markets are constantly changing, as soon as these sorts of things are released, they start going out of date rapidly. And unless you can find something that's timeless, anything you spend your money on is just useless. You feel like you've failed, and the seeds of doubt begin to grow in your mind as you question yourself and wonder whether the whole trading thing has just been a waste of time. That's why today I'm delighted to share with you my brand new product called Forex Brain Trainer that is capable of boosting your trading results as easily as watching TV. Now I know that might sound unbelievable, but in a moment you'll see exactly how it all works. So just keep watching. What the human brain does best is to recognize patterns. And if you think about it, words are just patterns, which is the part we're aware of, and we have the unconscious mind, which is everything else. Now the unconscious mind is where all our memory is stored. That's all of our experiences that we've ever had and all the words that we've ever learned. And we learn everything through repetition. That's why babies get told to say mama and dada repeatedly. It's also how you learn the words to a song. Now what Forex Brain Trainer does is show you a candlestick pattern, and then my voiceover explains how to identify it, what it means, and how reliable it is. And you use Forex Brain Trainer for 10 to 15 minutes a day, and each time it makes an impression in your unconscious mind. And the longer you do this, the more solid, here it is, the idea becomes in your unconscious mind, the more solid each pattern gets installed. And you get to the point where all you have to do is glance at a Forex chart and you won't be able to stop yourself knowing what's going to happen next. And it's like I said, there's no effort involved, it's simply a case of watching and listening. It's actually better if you don't try and remember, because that'll just get in the way. Here's what you'll discover when you grab your copy of Forex Brain Trainer today. Custom-made diagrams of the 57 most common candlestick patterns that are universal and timeless. With Forex Brain Trainer, we're equipping our minds with the ability to automatically recognize chart patterns, a skill that is directly applicable and not theoretical. So if you want to improve your profits from Forex as easily as watching TV, and the missing link you've been searching for lies in these universal candlestick patterns which have been working and relied on since the 1800s. Imagine looking at your Forex charts after using Forex Brain Trainer and your attention automatically snapping to certain groups of candlesticks that you now recognize. You then see another and another as you start to build up a picture of what the market is thinking. It's almost like seeing the matrix code. This feels very empowering because it's your brain that's doing it, not some piece of software. And more than that, you don't have to consciously think for it to happen. So grab your copy of Forex Brain Trainer now and start training today.